don't stop.
Welcome to...
Hi, welcome to Sass with Sabrina and Sass with Malory. This is the channel where we try one new thing a week and post however it has turned out. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out. We post a new video every Tuesday.
We post a new video every Tuesday.
We hope to inspire you to try something of your own or make you laugh. Really good for you to have a hobby. It's really good for you to learn something new and try new stuff. It's not only good for your brain, but it's good for your heart also. So in today's video, we are going to be making sun catchers.
Sun catchers. What are these beads?
I'm just going to use them up for the sun catchers.
I'm making my own sun. This is my own sun catcher. What's your sun catcher made out of?
Oh, I'm going to try those dragonfly ones that we saw. Once again, there'll be a Pinterest link below for different ideas.
Oh my, oh my.
Oh my.
Oh my, you're making the right thing. You're making the right thing.
So this one I'm making super easy. So I just created my outline with a thicker gauge wire. Does need some finessing. And then I have
is a necklace.
Found this just lying around. I have no idea what it's supposed to be. So I thought I would turn it into a sun catcher.
But I see this was a necklace. So I'm gonna make a necklace out of it.
So just utilizing some like fishing line. Oh my, what?
Yours did that.
Yeah, leave it. I'm bringing it, I'm looping it through. I got it under control. Thank you.
Why are you looping for that?
To decorate the dragonfly so that it's a sun catcher.
Why the dragonfly?
Because we both thought that they were really pretty when we saw them. Do you remember? All right, we're getting there. I just have to secure this to the tail.
That's
all right.
a great clown.
Dragonfly sun catcher.
That's a great clown that you made.
Some of the beads have moved on me. I did want some more
Can
on the ends there.
On you? Hey, what happened to crown?
I'm still fixing it up, baby. Okay, so just secured everything, gave it a little hook to hang from. Finessed it a little bit. I think that'll be pretty in the sun. What do you think, Mel?
Good.
Experiment.
My button-out is beautiful, right, Mommy?
Pardon?
I'm doing a button-out.
Oh, I think you're doing a beautiful sun catcher, but yes, you're doing the leftover smashed buttons. Okay, so Mallory picked this and had already started stringing earlier.
What are you making?
We're gonna finish your sun catcher.
That was a necklace.
Oh, I thought it was your sun catcher. I think a couple more jingly hanging thingies and then we're good. What do you think?
That's a necklace.
No, we're doing sun catchers.
Is that a bracelet?
No, I'm doing a sun catcher. This is the catcher, the sun catchers that Mallory liked. She did a lot of the stringing up. She did this one herself. She started this one. And then these were her crowns, so I'm probably going to end up taking them off and giving her back. We just used whatever we had. We used wire and some beads that we wanted to use up. Really fancy and get beads that have bigger holes through them and create anything. Yeah, I think that looks great. Today's an overcast day. The next couple days are actually the same, so unfortunately we can't update you and let you know how they work. You want to say goodbye, Pouty Pants?
Goodbye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Happy smiles and good morning to you, everybody. And you, too, Clayton. Mom, is my tongue blue?
It is.
I showed Clayton. playing with my cousin, right?
Yes.
Did he watch?
I don't think so.
Layton, you need to watch our videos. I am, he said. He said.
Is that a woodpecker on our house?
He needs to use the door.
No, we don't want a bird's nest in our
House.
Yeah. The bird on the door. Go look. You'll scare it away.
I saw him. And I scared him.
Good job. Now he's pecking at the... Go bang on the door, please. See the bird on the window? What's it doing? Go knock on the door again. The birds are back. I wonder why those birds are attacking our house.
Stop. Go, 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 go.